Hi everybody, this is BNP Media Plumbing Group's Mike Miazga. We're here at the 2018 AHR Expo in Chicago, here at the Webstone booth. We are swimming in a sea of new products, everything in the Webstone booth new this year. We'll touch on today the expansion of Webstone's PEX line, also the press transition valves, and their new line of thermostatic mixing valves. I'm here right now with Webstone Sales and Marketing Manager Lisa Lyon. A common theme in our industry among installers, contractors, more efficient ways to do their job, and Webstone has everybody covered with that.
That's what we like to think anyway. Thank you very much for having me here. We do see that the future is really all about efficiency, whether it's the way that we want to order product online or how we go about installing a heating system. It really is all of the same. How do we do more with less time? So Webstone takes that approach when we look at new product development and innovations, and we see where the industry is moving to more efficient joinery methods like press, crimp, cold expansion. We need to have products that do the same.
Right now I'm with Webstone Director of Engineering Andrew Terry. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Tons of new products. Let's start with the isolator with PEX.
We are very excited this year to introduce our flagship isolator, both with and without drain, with both the F1960 and 1807 PEX connections on them. To complement this, we also are bringing our EXP product line, which is the tankless hot water heater service valves, also with both styles of PEX connection. The idea being that it saves the customer time on installation and they move directly to the type of piping system that they're going to use within the home.
All right, Andrew, tell us about the new transition valves.
What we've been seeing a lot is in the homes a transition required between copper and plastic, copper into PEX. So to complement this, we've come out with our ball drains and ball valves, both with a transition to allow the customers to use one valve and not have to use any extra fittings to be able to accomplish that. And we have that available in various different sizes in bulge valve and ball drain constructions.
We also took a fresh look at the need to service thermostatic mixing valves and developed a suite of isolation kits to fit the bill. Ball valves, isolators, temperature gauges with unions, all with a direct G1 connection right onto the TMV body itself. So more integrated method for servicing the product, fewer components, less time, a more professional look. With 3 different temperature ranges, 7 different end connections, Webstone really is closing in on having a comprehensive solution for whatever the contractor's mixing need. Thanks for stopping by. For more information, visit webstonevalves.com.